All right, I didn't realize that Belkin makes these accessory. This one right here is for the iPhone, and it tracks you as you are moving around. Essentially, that's the idea right there. So let's say if you have a TikTok or anything like that, and you're trying to walk back and forth, this thing will actually track you and move your phone with you. Great idea, right? You probably have seen some of these, but I didn't know Belkin makes it. So anyway, today we're gonna test this thing out, see how good it is. It's Belkin, so it's gotta be good, right? Anyway, that's what we're doing. Let's test this out. I have used a few of these in my time, in the past year or so. Yeah, and they range from okay to not so great. I think the tracking, they've got it down. I think most of them got the tracking down, but the problem here is that they make it so constrained to your phone that you can't really do horizontal or vertical. You can only do one way. All right. This one, Belkin, got a really heavy base there. Not bad, okay. All right, let's see what cords comes with this. How many watt is this? This right here is a 30-watt charger. Got a really nice USB-C, Belkin quality USB-C right here. As you can tell, I have full respect for Belkin product. Most of the product that I've gotten from them has been really good. Guys, by the way, I did purchase this with my own money, so just let you guys know, they did not send this product to me at all. All right, so at the bottom right here, you got a tripod mount. Obviously, you see that in the picture. There's a reset button right here that says if you hold 6 seconds down, it'll reset this thing. Now, let me go grab a battery pack, and then we're gonna track this thing, right? Because I really don't need 30-watt charger out here. Ah, that is cool. So there's a tap on here. You just tap your phone and the NFC comes up and it says it's loading the accessory. Okay, so I am actually not sure how this product works, because let me just take a step back here. Usually whenever a product like this, they usually want you to install their own app like DJI for you to track, right? Because they have active track in the iOS app itself. And so usually they want you to use your own app. Well, right now you're looking at it from the iOS app, iOS default camera app, not a Belkin app or anything like that. One of the things that when I was setting up, I was trying to figure out if I needed to download the Belkin app or not, and nowhere in the packaging does it say that I need to download an app. So yeah, guys, I tapped the NFC, it connects it to the phone, and now it's actually tracking me. Oh boy, this shirt is getting a little small. But yeah, using the default iPhone app right now. I don't know how it works, honestly. I don't know how it works. So notice it goes left and right, and it also goes up and down. See this? And it's tracking my face. It's looking at my face, seeing where my face is, and it's tracking it because it's always at this point right here. Yeah, don't know how they're doing it, but the other tracking tech that I've seen is that they built a little camera into the base itself, and that has a camera that tracks you instead of the phone itself. So again, I'm not sure how they're doing this. It's pretty astonishing the way they're doing it. I don't know. I mean, how far can it go? So that's what we're gonna test next. Let's see how far it goes. Okay. So right now, it's actually using the back camera to track me. And as I was complaining about other tracking technology while I was not doing the unboxing, the fact that you can use any camera, any lens that you have on the phone, and it's doing its job by tracking you. Are you seeing this? Yeah. It doesn't matter which lens you use, the back or the front. How far can I go out? Wow, it's actually tracking me all the way out here now. Okay. Step a little bit further back. Is it still tracking me? It's still tracking me. Oh, I think it's getting a little lazy now. All right. Gonna track me way out here. Is it still tracking me? Oh wow, it is still tracking me. What if I get under this tree right here or behind this tree? What is it doing? Oh, it is still tracking me. Wowza. Hey, that's pretty good. All right, so what if I turn around? See if it remembers. Turn back around. Do you still remember me? What? It still remember me. So face. Oh wow, look. Even so it's not looking at your face. Yeah, so it's not looking at my face. What is it looking at? And notice something, okay? Let's say I'm sitting right here. Look where the line is. This is the posture or the framing of this is very good because it didn't move my face all the way down here, right? It didn't track my face all the way down here. It actually puts my face somewhere up here, which is exactly how framing a video should be. Wow. I am sorry, but I don't know how it's doing it. There's no camera on this device. Okay, I'm gonna walk back again. I gotta try it again. So I'm gonna walk all the way back with my back turned to it, walk behind a tree, and then look at it. Oh my God, it is tracking me. It is still tracking me. Well guys, I'm gonna have to say here, I don't know how they do it. This is magic. This is one of the best tracking tech I've seen. I'm so glad I got this because when I was looking at this, I was like, okay, you know what? They have a camera on there, just like all the other products that I've seen out there. But no, this is not it. It's actually, and I went back there pretty far too. I mean, even DJI best technology, best tracking, Active Track 6, still hiccups when I go behind a tree, okay? This thing right here, using my default camera app, which I love. I don't want to have to use someone else's app. You're using the default DJI app. You're using the default camera app on this thing here, and it's doing this. Wow. Well, so obviously because of the design, you can obviously, you know, do horizontal. Look at that. Okay, so check that out. The horizontal, look at the framing on this thing. It is very good. Now, I'm actually right in the middle. Do you see this? I'm actually right in the middle. And now look, my face, once again, is on top here. It's not down in the middle right here, if that makes sense. I don't know, guys. Good stuff. Good stuff. This is one of the best tracking techs I've seen. One of the best. Wow. That is incredible. Okay, I'm going to run and see if it can catch me, okay? Okay, you know what? Is it worth the money? Yes, it works very well. You can use the front camera or you can use the back camera, it doesn't matter. And it's the framing is where it's at, guys. Most technology, the framing is terrible. They'll put your face like right in the middle right here. So most of it is the sky. Just saying. If you're gonna go, this is one of the best one that I've seen. Anyway, have a good one. Bye-bye. Stop following me. Stop following me. Stop following me. Oh my God. Oh man. Wow.